Hi, Reuben Taylor from Business Success Educators here. And would you like to make more money on the next job you do or customer you serve? See, too often I see that people, when they're serving customers, they're focused on that transaction. They're focused on that actual product or service rather than the customer and what else they may need. That means that the business themselves are leaving money on the table, but also the customer may go and buy something from someone else that you could have sold them as the business that they're dealing with in that moment. So how do we do that? Well, the first thing to remember is it's great customer service to uncover what might this customer want. So the first thing we want to think about is what other products or services complement what they're buying. If they're buying X, would Y make sense? If they're buying paint, would it make sense to buy a paintbrush or a drop sheet, whatever it might be? So offering those complementary products or services each time you're dealing with a customer helps the customer, but also increases the average value of the sale from that customer. The second thing to do is ask the question. McDonald's has that famous line we often joke about, would you like fries with that? Now, every business has fries. They may not look like fries, they may not taste like fries, but every business has fries. I remember a lawyer I worked with asked everyone who they dealt with, by the way, have you updated your will recently? He would pick up a will a week and add an extra $10,000 in profit every single year just by asking that one question. So what's that one question you need to be asking every customer? One, it's something they probably should have in place or haven't thought about. And two, it's going to help increase the value within your business. And the third way you can do this is using a checklist. See, checklists help us remember things, but also checklists help a customer know all the possible things that they might need when they're doing a particular job. Back to my earlier example about painting. What if you had a checklist of all the things you needed to do when you're painting a room? So there's not only you'll need the drop sheet and the paint and the paint brushes, but you might need the masking tape, you might need the scrapers, you might need the trays. There's a whole lot of things that often go with the actual reason they've come in with. Help them buy it there and then help them buy that from you. Remember, an electrician did this who we work with, so every time they went into a domestic house, they would have a 10-point safety checklist. While I'm here, I'm going to go and check your safety switches. I'm going to go check your earth. I'm going to check these parts of things. Again, it's useful for the customer, so there wasn't any safety issues at their house, but also useful for the electrician because every now and then they would pick up that extra job, convert something over, extra service. So think about how can you add those extra value when you're interacting with the customer. So just remember, great customer service doesn't happen by accident. Increasing the value of a sale doesn't happen by accident. Look at ways that you can look at complementary products, that you can ask extra questions, or even using a checklist. It's great for the customer and great for business. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Bye for now.